If your AI generator front end look generic, it's not because the AI is bad. It's because you are not giving the right input. Let me show you the exact 7 way I used to get a clean and non-generic AI front ends. Way 1. Reference image. First rule, never ever start from imagination. I always give a reference image. This sets the visual standards of layout, spacing, and overall mood. Explain what to do from the reference image. What to do. I repeat what I said. What to do. Uploading an image isn't enough. You need to tell AI what to learn from it. The layout structure, the space and rhythm, the typography, and the tone. Like that. Way 3. Log a design system. Next thing I do is just I log the design system. Like spacing, fonts, and the color. These are the 3 things that define the upfronts so the outputs stay consistent and intentional. Way 4. Force visual hierarchy. Generic AI UI happens and everything looks equally important. So I force the hierarchy. Like one primary action, one secondary action, everything else just stays supporting. Way 5. Limit the components. I love adding too much things. Too much things. So what I do is just limit the components. So the interface stay clean, focused, and readable. Way 6. Tell AI what not to do. I repeat, not to do. This step remove the AI look instantly. I tell it what not to do, like no glass effect, no random gradients, no heavy shadows. Like that. It really works. Final one, way 7. Mobile first plus half pass. I design mobile first and do one small human remaining pass. This last step is what it makes feel real. Now I also add additional things. You can see that right here. And then enter. And he's cooking. And this is the result I got. This is the difference between generic AI frontend and something you can actually ship. If this helps, then please subscribe for more AI frontend workflows. Thank you for watching and see you next video.